Hi everyone, this is a short video to show you how to set up a static IP address in a Linux computer. I am using Cisco Modeling Labs to illustrate this example. I have these two Ubuntu computers that I'm using to connect to this switch. And I'll use this switch to allow PC2 to communicate with PC1. These computers are going to be communicating on VLAN 5. In the switch, if I run the command line shall run interface VLAN 5, I see where VLAN 5 belongs to the network 10.10.10.0/24. These computers will be configured to IPs 10.10.10.11 on PC1 and 10.10.10.22 on PC2. I'm going to VNC into PC2 to show you how to do it via command prompt through the GUI. And on PC1, I'm going to do it from the console connection shown here. The command line to assign an IP address to each computer is the same. The only difference is going to be where this command line is run. On PC2, to open VNC, you have to right-click on the computer icon and then look for the VNC at the bottom of the displayed options. Click on it. Once VNC opens, you will have to log in with your credentials or the local credentials of the system. Once logged in, open the terminal app. Run the command line APA. It will show you the current IP settings in the system. Right now, I don't have any IP configuration set up on PC1. In your system though, you might see something that has been assigned via DHCP or by someone else prior to you. To assign a new IP address on PC2, we run the command line sudo IP addr for address and add to add, and then the IP address you want to assign to this computer, which in this case is going to be 10.10.10.22/24 DEVETH0, and hit enter. As you can see, the command line was accepted by the system and the IP address has been successfully assigned to the computer. If I run the command line APA, there it is. I see where the IP address has been statically assigned to this computer. Now, I will run the same command line in the console connection for PC1. On the console screen, type IPA. We confirm that there is no IP address currently assigned to this system. Now, we run the same command line we ran on PC2 using the predetermined IP address assignment for PC1. Sudo IP addr add 10.10.10.11/24 DEVETH0 and hit enter. Now I run the command line APA again on this computer, and there it is. I see the statically assigned IP address on PC1. Now I can connect these two computers to the switch. In the switch, I run the show interface status command line to see which ports are configured to VLAN 5. I see where port GI01 and port GI0/2 are configured to VLAN 5. I create the link from PC1 to GI01 using GI01 on the switch and ATH0 on PC1, and another link from PC2 to GI02, the same using GI02 on the switch and ETH0 on PC2. Now that the two computers are connected to the switch on the same VLAN, these two should be able to talk to each other using their assigned IP addresses. If I try to ping PC2 from PC1, in PC1 I issue the command ping 10.10.22 and hit enter. It is successful. Now from PC2 to PC1, ping 10.10.10.11 and I hit enter. Successful as well. And that is it. That's all there is to it to assign a static IP address to a Linux computer. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next time.